Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the BH Cosmetics Color Festival eyeshadow palette. This palette was released, I'm thinking about a month ago or 3 weeks ago. I don't know if it's considered a limited edition palette or it's part of their permanent line. I'm not familiar with BH Cosmetics to say or guess if there's a possibility of this palette being limited edition. It's available at BH Cosmetics website right now and at Ulta.com. The packaging of this palette is a cardboard palette with the magnetic closure, and it includes a good quality mirror as well. This is a 20 pan eyeshadow palette that retails for $20, which makes $1 per shadow. These are smaller pans compared to a standard size, but they are bigger than the mini pans. As you can see, this palette screams spring since it's filled with so much color, and I also like that it has everyday shades as well. I personally think it can be an everyday palette for spring and summer since it's filled with color and neutrals. Out of the 20 eyeshadows, 7 are matte and 13 are shimmers. The mattes in this palette are very soft and very velvety. All the mattes varied from being pigmented to sheer. For the shades that were on the sheer side, they were buildable and they were not chalky at all. For the shimmers, they were all pigmented. I did notice that 2 of the shimmers were a bit flaky and a bit patchy. Those 2 shades were Hollow and Electronic. Overall, it's a nice palette. I definitely recommend if you like to use color since there's more colorful shades than neutrals. If you are not into color, you can easily pass on this palette. So I really hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.